Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about sound, spelling, and symbols, mainly about the difference between speech and writing. The objective the objectives of this chapter is at the end of the session, it is expected that you will able to learn about, discover what phonetics is all about, explore the relationship between sound and spelling, find out how to count the number of sounds in a word, and the last is learn how to divide sounds up into vowels and consonants. Let us start the first discussion about phonetics. Yes, because we learn about phonology and phonetics, so we are going to start with the first one is phonetics. Yeah. Okay. So what is phonetics? Phonetics is the study of speech sounds. So when you are talking or when you are learning about phonetics, there are several important points that you should keep in your mind. The first one is the focus is on the way humans produce speech and what speech sounds like. Yeah, so we are going to deal with speech sounds, how human produce sounds and what speech sounds like. And the second one is sound and spelling are very different things. You have to remind that phonetics deals with the sounds, not on spelling, because sound and spelling are very different things. After this, you are going to look at more examples to clarify the differences between sound and spelling. Yeah. Okay, and the last one, in some cases, spelling is often a poor guide to a word's pronunciation. Yeah, so yes, there are some examples will be given for you to clarify that when it is not always about spelling. Yeah, because if we deal with the pronunciations or the sounds, so spelling is a poor guide. Yeah, yes. Why is it so? Let's see after this. Okay. All right. And the next one is about writing systems and pronunciations. So we have to admit that different languages use different types of writing. Yes, of course. So for example, the system of Egyptian hieroglyphics, yeah, was based by using picture or symbols. It is mostly also known as an ideogram or pictogram or logogram, yeah, to represent words. Yeah. So it can be seen on the following pictures, like examples of logograms for book and lag. Yeah. So we use picture and symbol to represent words. So this, if we use this picture, so it refers to book, and this picture refers to lag. Yeah. However, there are some weaknesses of hieroglyphics, yeah? Systems of hieroglyphics. Why? Because logograms do not give any clues to the way the word is pronounced. We only, by using the hieroglyphics, we only notice about the words that is being represented by the picture, but it doesn't have any clues on how to pronounce the words. Yeah, so that's the first weakness. The second one, there are thousands of words found in a specific language. Yeah, can you imagine how many words that we have in, for example, English dictionary or in Bahasa Indonesia? So if we use hieroglyphics, so how many symbols or pictures will be used to represent, yeah, the words? So that's those are the weaknesses of hieroglyphics, because those systems do not give any clues on how we pronounce the words. And the second one, it requires thousands of symbols, because we have thousands of words, even millions of words, yeah, to represent all words in a language. Okay. So the second system is sound-based or alphabetic writing system. Yeah, so alphabetic writing system try to represent the pronunciations of each words. Yeah. However, yes, in some languages represent sounds more consistently in their spelling system than others. Yes, you can also read very clear yeah, on page 4 about the examples, yeah. So because we learned about English, so we also have to know about English spelling system, yeah. Yeah, throughout the history, so English spelling system is mainly influenced by many other languages, yeah. In fact, English spelling system is not always a good guide to pronunciation. Oh, okay, how could it be? Yeah, because if you still remember the first point that I have mentioned before, spelling is different with sounds. Sounds also deals with pronunciation. All right. Okay, so after this, we will look at the examples to clarify that statement. Okay. Okay, so now from those systems, let us see on the examples. Many sounds to one letter. Okay. Okay, look at those words. We have face, we have sheriff, control, duck, much, and city. Okay, focus on letter C. Focus on letter C. C, 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 and C. In each words. What sounds does the C represent in each word? Oke, sekarang Anda lihat kata-kata ini, coba diucapkan gitu ya. Lalu lihat kira-kira bunyi apa yang direpresentasikan dari letter C di sini ya. Oke. Yes, let us see. In face, ya, and city, the C letter represent like in a sun. Sun. Yeah. Face, city, sun, sun. Yeah. In duck and control, C represent different sounds as in kitchen. Yeah. Kitchen. Yeah. K. Yeah. Okay. In sheriff and much, they have joint construction by H, yeah, to make third sound as in church, ch, yeah, sheriff and much, church. All right. So that's why there are many sounds but represent in one letter, yeah. Okay. So even we use one letter here, C, but when it is put in a word, then it might produce different sounds, many sounds. Paham ya? Walaupun hurufnya satu, ya, yaitu C, tetapi ketika dia dimasukkan di dalam kata, ya, maka ada bunyi yang berbeda yang dia representasikan, gitu ya. Oke, makanya dikatakan bahwa ketika kita berbicara tentang phonetics, ya, kita berbicaranya tentang sounds, bukan spelling, bukan letters, ya, bukan abjad, no, tetapi bunyi. Karena kalian lihat di sini kalau misalnya berbicara tentang letters atau abjad, maka abjadnya adalah C, ya, C, C. Tetapi ketika kita berbicara tentang bunyi, itu bukan C, tetapi misalnya face, S, voiceless sound, ya, sheriff, control, ya, k, ya, duck, k, much, city, ya. Okay, so that's why we can conclude that the same letter can represent different sounds in different words. Yeah. Again, the same letter, which is C letter, can represent different sound in different words. Okay, hope you understand, yeah? Alright, the next one is many letters to one sound. Oke, ini agak berbeda dengan yang tadi. Tadi satu abjad dia merepresentasikan banyak bunyi. Ini banyak abjad hanya merepresentasikan satu bunyi. Terbalik ya. Oke. Oke, have a look at those words. Think and practice on how those words are pronounced. Oke, mikir gitu ya, lalu praktekkan gimana caranya mengucapkan kata-kata ini. Oke, I, pie, cry, 9, high, buy, I. Oke, ya. From those examples, we can see that one sound can be represented by several different letters or combination of letters. Okay, so the sounds of the listed words here identical to I sound or the pronoun referring to me. Jadi maksudnya gini, kata-kata ini ketika kita ucapkan itu terdengarnya identik sekali dengan bunyi yang misalnya kita ucapkan untuk kata I, saya, I, pie, gitu ya. Cry, 9, high, buy, I. Jadi kayak dengarnya I, gitu ya. Okay, so sounds and letters don't have one-to-one correspondence because the same letter can represent different sounds and the same sound can be represented by many letters and letters combination in different forms. Ya, Anda perhatikan combinations of letters ya. I and E, okay, pie, I jadinya. Ya, R and Y, cry. Ya, okay, 9. Ya, I and E, I, 9. Ya, high, IGH, high, I. Ya, BUY, UY, buy. Okay, YE, I. Ya, oke. Jadi ini ada kombinasi kata, kombinasi huruf, tetapi dia hanya dipronounce menjadi satu bunyi, gitu. Ya, berbeda dengan yang tadi, gitu ya. Nah, ini yang maksudnya many letters to one sound. Jadi ada banyak abjad yang digunakan, tetapi dia represent one sound, gitu. Jadi secara konklusi kesimpulannya kita bisa melihat bahwa the same letter can represent different sound. Kayak yang tadi, C, ya. Oke, the same letter represent different sound, ya. Oke. While the same sound can be represented by many different letters. Seperti ini, ya. Bunyinya satu, bunyinya sama, tetapi direpresentasikan oleh penggunaan abjad-abjad yang berbeda, ya, beberapa abjad yang berbeda atau kombinasi abjad di dalam kata, gitu ya. Oke. Jadi sekali lagi kita fokusnya ini contoh-contoh ini diungkapkan supaya membantu Anda mengubah pemikiran bahwa kita fokusnya kepada bunyi. Sekali lagi bunyi, bukan abjad atau bukan letters, gitu ya. Karena kalau berbicara letters, maka nanti tidak nyambung dengan sounds, ya, gitu. Karena ya satu letter bisa menghasilkan banyak bunyi, gitu ya, merepresentasikan banyak bunyi dan sebaliknya, gitu. Oke. The next one is silent and double letters. Ya, oke. We have several words here. Night, oke. Sekarang, think and practice on how to pronounce these words. We have 4. Okay. Can you practice? Have you done it? All right. So we have night, knife, psychology, pterodactyl. Okay. So many English words also include silent letters in their spelling. Nah, silent letters, silent means senyap, gitu ya. Jadi ada bunyi huruf yang tidak diucapkan, gitu. Contohnya night and knife. Kita punya silent letternya adalah K. Psychology and pterodactyl, silent lettersnya adalah P, ya. Oke. So that's our silent letters, ya. Oke, nanti karena saya punya waktu hanya 15 menit untuk part pertama, setelah ini kita lanjut untuk berikutnya. Okay, thank you.